Hello everybody, this is MR.Peppino. Oh my god. Okay, we're back. I'm gonna pass the mic on to him because he barely got the mic in the last video. I don't think he trusts me too well with the mic. So I died before we could get to lap 4. I accidentally hit a ramp. He killed me. This is like the fastest we've ever done a lap 3 though. So now we're on lap 4. Literally the fastest I've ever seen you do this. Oh yeah, we are on the last. Giggity! Bro, why did it go giggity though? If you do this, like 4th try, I'd be so happy. I said 4th try. Now my osmosis is in the most horrible way. Icky, kill. Tell me if you need me. What is? Cause I have to.
No, I don't.
Are you okay?
Stop!
I don't. Alright, guys, so we're having technical difficulties. Please kill me. Wait, this is my last try, right? Right? Someone beats it on the 4th try. Fucking stupid motherfucker! Ugly motherfucker, stupid dumb bitch! I have a fucking seizure! Nah, bro. Also, fuck Bella the Wolf. If Bella the Wolf will subscribe to my channel, I'll subscribe now. Exactly. Yeah. You're the most fakest god I've ever seen. You ain't even considered a god, you're a furry. I'd rather worship Skibidi Toilet than see Bella the Wolf. Yes, that's how much I despise her. With her, ew, my god! Like, shut the fuck up! I'm so happy it's not here. Thank you, my boy. Okay.
See you next time.
No, next level. Next level. Left point. Let's go. Oh man, I'm fine. So, alright, we're made it to lap 4, guys. It took 5 million years. You wouldn't believe it. If we did that one part. So you really have to kill yourself. Here I go! What the fuck? No! He goes that way and then you can't go past him, remember? There's my boy Snick. You know he's a dick. No, don't leave me behind. I was looking with the pineapple guy. That's your fault. I give credits to you. You let me with the pitbull guys. Why did you? Yeah. Oh man, come on. Come on, dude. Nope. October 5th. Oh man, I don't care anymore. Okay, no, don't leave me behind, don't leave me behind. Okay. I got you, Pep. This part, I have to take. Fuck. Run like it's up. Run like it's up. Alright guys, so he's a little mad. I have the right now. This took us hours to do. I'm exaggerating, but still. So this one part he has to die so that I can get past, in one part he doesn't want to die. So that it's this part that he doesn't want to die.
What the?
Alright, so guys, we're a little angry. We've been doing this for a little while. Maybe. Didn't we already try doing more that one time? Oh, fuck. Yeah. So, this next part, neither of us want to get caught or die. Yeah. And then I gotta do that. If I do this, I'm gonna combust. I'm joking, guys. No. Okay. See you in the next level. Oh dear God, war. Bro, it took us a whole entire day to say hi. Bro, we had to watch a YouTube video on how to beat war. This took us so long. But now we know how to beat it. YouTube tutorials saved my life. Like this. Hold up. I'm gonna get tickled too, don't worry. It's like this is zoomed out because my friend died and I'm screwed. Like, out! Zarek, player 2, aka not MR.Peppino, he's Peppino. Just classic old noise. Where did you go? I just bonked my head. What do you mean it restarted me? Oh, because the last time, like, what do you mean by that? Oh, yeah, but then why are you gone? Oh, it's not even pizza time. Oh! There we go. Passing on the mic to Peppino. Da. Never mind, he don't want it. Because he just sucks. We are going to release a pizza tower Nesquik Nestle Crunch on Pizza Tower Network video. So be prepared before I find your IP address. No, I don't. What the hell? Don't say that. This is a family-friendly YouTube channel. Why would you say the word R-A-P and then somebody add a and how do you spell an E? You know, yeah, somebody add a to that. This kid's dirty-minded, bro. Hey, chew them! Oh no, snakes in our way. If I just split up, if I just stick the mic out like this, you can hear. When I stick the mic to my mouth, they can hear me. I get all the attention. Wow! Wait, so this is one of. Wait, so the crumbling tower pizza. Wait, we have to do the boss fight, the crumbling tower pizza, and the level at the same time, right? It's just gonna be one whole thing. That's your fault. You take all the credit for failure. He died. Dude, screw him! Oh, no! Oh, credit all to you for having Snick come to me, bro. That's your fault. Barely. Just go stick the mic out like that. No, they can't. No, they can't. Yeah, wah. Why are you waiting for him? Just go. You just wasted time now. Yep, you're banned. Okay, so basically what I gotta do is that he's gonna come down here, so basically what I'm gonna grab him. You're a distraction, lol. I got you. Pause now, pause! We both cream? What do you mean we both cream? What do you mean that? We both scream, not cream. What? You make no sense and I hate your cringiness. I'm unstoppable. I'm a boss on this. I'm disordered! What is that? What does disordered mean? Wow, you're making fun of the autistic kids, bro. You're so stupid, bro. So your jokes today are just so horrible. Classy. That wasn't even a joke that I said. All I said was just glitzy, and then you just died. He said he's gonna kill himself. I told you this show's family friendly, little bro. Yes, it is, Italian man. Okay, that part don't count. And no weird shit. Oh. Alright, I'm about to hit that point. It's already been 6 minutes of failure, bro. How much do we suck at Pizza Tower, bro? Oh, no! You know, just pass it on.
Alright, Houston likes hitting me. Okay, chill, golly. All we hear is beep. My head hurts. Guys, we swam last night and we choked each other out. And then if you live in Indiana, then you know what Swiss days is. Even some people.
We went on that.
Yeah.
Told them that we went on the stream. We did not.
Yeah, it's not scary. People are just wimps sometimes.
Yeah, only. Yeah. Just, no, not this. 2 days ago, we went on
Yeah, it's not scary. We also went on the Sizzler first.
Dude, do not sit on the outside with somebody. The pain. Makes you want to say,
Oh, the pain! Yeah, your side gets crushed. Nah, bro, we're going on it.
Nah, not today. Not today.
Did you just crap yourself?
No, you suck like that.
I can buy myself pizza tower, right Peppino and the pizza. Talk to the noise for hours. They say things you won't understand. We might not need this. Oh my god, hold up. We're gonna delete the scene, bro, if this takes an hour. Just imagine watching a full video, like a couple of minutes on one level, but a whole hour fails on the on one level called War. The most discriminating level. What is this? Rage! A failure! Pause now, pause now, pause now, pause now, pause now! I screwed up, I screwed up, I screwed up, I actually screwed up. Wait, what? I didn't even go back! I pressed this one and it took me back! Kill yourself. Right. No! Okay, let me go, let me go! Do I have to be distracted? No, no, get away from me! Get away from me, get away from me! No, stick, we can talk about this. Remember the Saints 2019? Ah, good old memories! Good old memories! Golly, Mickey, I think I might be going insane! Oh, no, wait, what? Oh, what is that? Oh, yeah! That's what you sound like. Oh, yeah! I got you, I got you, I got you, I got you. Stop saying weird ass shit. You're not funny. Oh, they're why are they going after Mexican and not the Italian, bro? That's so messed up. Yeah, but Snick, why not Pizza Face? Snick, you're ugly. Why do they call you Snick.exe, bro? You're some rip off of freaking Sonic.exe from McDonald's Happy Meal 3 a.m. Let's not mess that up. Pause, I literally. We can talk about this. Italian, help me! Peppino, they're going insane! Wait, I did it my way and I actually made it somehow. 50 seconds, 50 seconds. Really? I go kaboom and you go dark! Well, it's already been 11 minutes of failure. Hey guys, I just want to say we suck at the tower, so please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe so I can let this little girl free. Stop! Bro, doing it my way is somewhat is easy. My way. No. You listen to me, Pizza Face. I'm the one that's faster than you. I'm the one that goes way faster. You're the one that catches people. But can you really catch them? No, because we're the lappers. So shut up, you big, obese, quadruple pound of levitating pizza. Like, you're not the main character, little bro. You're literally not the main character. No, wait, you just died. Okay, I'm about to say, bro. Bonk. Isn't this the... No, but this is not the farthest we managed to get. I need to give you more mic time. Mike Tyson! What do you think about Mike Tyson's mic? Mike Tyson equal Mike and equal Tyson Mike and Mike equal Mike Tyson. No, Mike equal Tyson and Tyson equal Verizon bills. Verizon. Go. What the? Leg up. Let me go. I'm cooked. No. Accident. See, I can't see. Yes! Oh my god! It's been the last one, and it's right now! Dude, let's go! That took us all the toppings. Oh my god! That took us like what? Not that long. Okay. Boss fight. We'll be right back. Start now. Let's start now. You can't. Wait, they can't. Bro, let. What is bro doing in there? Oh yeah, split screen. Hold on. Does anything need to be changed? No, I don't think so. Moving around. Let's go! I'm passing on the mic on him.
Let's go, guys. We beat War. I'm so happy. I'm mentally dying inside. We're about to beat Pizza Face first try. We're gonna beat him first try. Light work, no reaction. Can't we use each other? Alright, I'll throw enemies, you hit them. Oh yeah, that's actually really cool. Come here, dead. Dumb rat.
If I have a different suit on, that's what the color of the bomb is.
I'm keeping this enemy.
Come on, throw it. Oh no. You can't grab it.
Oh yeah, because we have the thing on. He's literally already at 1. How?
Actually,
Dude, this is about to get so fast.
wait, hold on. Do we both get a gun? Oh, I don't have a gun. But the vigilante was so fast. Like, that was a full-on light work, bro. Jesus God. Sorry that we deleted the video. Yeah.
That was like 2 minutes.
It's only been 2 minutes.
And we've already beaten him.
Actually, it's been 1 minute, basically. Yeah. Man, I'm dead. Who's who? Button. Oh. Watch this. Man. Ouchie. Ouch. Kaboom! Man, if there's some unexpectancy to this right now, that'd be a blast. Grr!
I don't even gotta worry at this point.
Leverage no reaction. Oh.
Leverage no reaction.
Break dance with me, bro. Leverage no reaction. This man's dead. Haha. Blood can go cry about it. Wait, where's he? He's invisible?
I think it's because of my skin.
Your skin. Yeah, look here. Yeah, look at your clothes. Wait, no. Wait, why does that?
We know where he's at.
Wait, no. Why does it have my clothes? Wait, why does MR.Peppino have my clothes? That's what the. I got him. I see his. I see him. Bonk. Justice. We got them.
Where is he?
There. He's right there. One more time. I'm just hogging every single boss. The fact that Noise goes Super Saiyan, like he's about to throw billions of punches, and then he just goes, like, with the bombs. Like, wait for it. I go crush a bonk. My clothes. Nope.
Yeah, bro, you ain't gonna.
Ball thinks that he's cooking.
Yeah, bro.
Crusher.
Alright, this is the last one.
It's last set. I don't think so, bro.
Oh, wait, no, this
You want to take the final kill?
I'll take it.
I'll stay away. You're lucky I missed out.
I got it.
Break him, John.
We're both invisible.
No, I'm not even on the screen. That's you.
He's invisible.
Like that's a Peppino color. I mean that's a Peppino. See, that's Peppino.
Oh. I'm just invisible.
That took 5 minutes. Wait, what if the Noise kills instead? Wait, where did you go?
Noise would throw a bomb.
All right, time to escape.
I actually don't know where I went. I don't want to.
Now you do. Final run. Well, not really, but. More for you. Ah, screw that, bro. The Noise have a gun.
The noise has.
The Noise have gun. What you gonna do? You don't even know what grammar is. Wait, why do you still have the shotgun? Yeah. No. I didn't hit the thing. MR.Peppino, what are you doing here? Go past him. Like, dude, I see MR.Peppino, well, he's gone now. We let them die. I say let them die. Let them die. Let it shrivel up. Oh, not that's not my. Bring the Noise. Yeah. Wait, this is gonna be an easy run. Yeah. I know we have to lap it, but dude, stop! You just stole my banana, you freaking retard! Boy. You can't even do it right. Oopsie. See you later, alligator. I'm surprised they didn't redesign the third floor since the doors were there instead of the noise. I mean, think about it. You would, I mean, couldn't you expect them to redesign the third floor? Gusto. Pesto anchovy, distasteful anchovy, and worldwide noise. Now shut the. The landmine, bro. The landmine. The mine land. Did I just El Bozo it? Hell no. P-rank, I got a P-rank. Kept your combo by going by. All you have to do is just keep your combo and get a high score. That's all you have to do. I wonder if we have to like go into the level and then lap. It'd be kind of disappointing if we had to like just like beat this, and go into the level, and lap. What am I doing? Oh, don't go into the door. Don't go into the door. I'm gonna check if there's any lappings. Or any laps. There's your I don't see any laps. Hold up. We're good. Just go. You know, wait. Goodbye. Well, I guess you could say it's over. Nah, you're dead as a. Well, we will see you in the Crumbling Tower Pizza level, if there's a lap.